Hello, hello. This is the Awful and Awesome Entertainment Wrap, episode 396. This is Rajesh Sen.
And this is Abhinandan Sekhri welcoming you to the Pop Culture Magazine show of News Laundry, where you get all the pop culture's latest happenings and other such things.
And lessons in not how to speak in English also.
That made no sense, but that is not unusual for this show. But Rajshri Sen, we have on the list here
Yes.
a series called The Naina Murder Case,
Yes.
available on Jio Hotstar. Wayward, a Netflix show. And we will discuss MTV, which is shut down officially.
Yeah.
Which
From
was,
December 31st.
at least for my generation, which is a little above
And
yours.
mine. And mine.
And yours. But for my generation, it was a different deal. So yeah, we will discuss that. But first, I just like to tell everybody we have a Diwali subscription offer till the 31st of October. Light the way for democracy. Clean the Ravan of fake news and propaganda and motivated news funded by corporations and governments. Scan this QR code. We have a special discount on Diwali for this whole Diwali week. So those of you who haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe so that you can power our journalists and their journalism. And you will have on-ground coverage of the Bihar elections. Atul Chaurasia, Basant Kumar and Srinivasan Jain will be there on the ground with our producers. So you can also scan this QR code and contribute to that project. There are links to both in the show notes below. Please do support our journalism because we take no ads. Rajshri Sen, I have made my announcements. Do you have any announcement?
Happy Diwali. Post Diwali.
With such enthusiasm.
I'm not a fan of Diwali.
You are anti-Hindu.
I feel
If
it
you
is
were
a
if you were
show.
doing a Shubha Durga Puja, then you'd be doing a lot of Shubha Durga
Because
Puja.
Diwali is a show of
But Diwali,
money
Diwali,
and
you will not
crassness.
be enthusiastic about.
No,
These
because
are the
we
double,
don't
These are the double Bengali standards.
double Bengali still. Bengali and Bengali standards.
So
No, I
Rajshri
don't.
Sen.
I'm not a fan, and going by the pollution,
In Delhi.
I don't think anyone should be much of a fan. But sure,
But
keep
Rajshri Sen,
bursting crackers.
before we speak about MTV having shut down, I have a surprise for you.
That you have not watched either of these.
How did you know?
You didn't watch even one episode
How did you know?
because I know what
It's
you're
not
like.
a surprise. You killed my surprise.
Yeah.
Actually, I haven't watched anything.
The good thing is you're dependable that way. You don't shock me at all.
See, but I watched MTV in its heyday, so I can talk about that.
You did not watch even one episode of these.
No, it's been a very busy week, Rajshri Sen. Manisha's been on leave. I did Nuisance.
You were home on Diwali. You could have watched, no?
Champions League is on, so in any case, my
Okay.
eyes are so weak.
Let's discuss
I
Champions
can
League.
talk about the Arsenal match, amazing match, 4-0.
I can tell you all about Roy Keane. Can I tell you all about Roy
No.
Keane?
So Rajshri Sen.
That's disgusting.
So why don't you tell us about that? But we have an email that has suggested that we should talk about old movies or songs that we like. So every episode we'll
No.
come up with 2 films or old songs that we liked, which the younger generation can rediscover, which they may not know about.
That is not the contribution that you're supposed to make, but that's okay. We'll read Prachi's mail. Why don't you read Prachi's mail?
You read?
No,
Where is it?
you read. You have nothing to say on the other things that I'm going to discuss.
Don't have to be snide. There is no such requirement.
There's no such. I thought that's in my key deliverables.
Really?
That's the first thing that's there.
So Prachi, our subscriber, thank you Prachi first for being a subscriber, says, Dear Abhinandan and Rajshri, thanks a lot for sharing the content of both my emails and my recommendations of Zubeen Garg's songs. Special thanks to Rajshri for her skillful pressy.
I pressed her 2 mails now.
Oh, really?
And made it into one mail of 40 words.
I got a bit carried away last week. I'm looking forward to reading the story about the political impact of Zubeen's passing. In fact, Prachi, we've been kind of exploring, there's just so many conspiracy theories there because of, the kind of stature he had in Assam. We have to tread very carefully while reporting on that because if I were Rajshri, I would, of course, payload all those conspiracy theories. But there's some really out there conspiracy theories that are being floated around. So whenever we do report on this or what is happening, it'll have to go through a lot of scrutiny because right now the environment is such that telling fact from fiction and speculation is very hard.
Although the Singapore police, the postmortem
Yeah,
report
they have
says
said-
that it is a heart attack. And
But
what else Singapore know?
But Praneeth Alagwadi has a 12-word email.
Huh.
All it says is, thank you for your attention to this matter with the link of the song Modi Hai To Mumkin Hai,
Meet Brothers, my favorite.
which we had our own version of on Nuisance called Godi Hai To Mumkin Hai. If you haven't seen Nuisance, link is in the show notes. The song goes something like this.
गोदी 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 है तो मुमकिन है 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 डेमोक्रेसी को बेकार किया
नरेंद्र मोदी का कोई बेस्ट फ्रेंड है?
झूठ और अंधविश्वास से लोगों को भिड़वा दिया नफरत से बकवास से
भारत ने अटैक कर दिया है।
बेशर्मी से सब कर बैठे सत्यों से भी लड़ बैठे चौथे स्तंभ की नाक कटाई हर दिन है गोदी 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 है तो मुमकिन है गोदी 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 है तो मुमकिन है हर चैनल पे ऐड चलाए जनता के पैसे जेब में आए अपने मुंह पे डाल के ताला काले सच को हम छिपाएं
Opposition is using a toolkit.
प्रोपेगेंडा की रफ्तार बढ़ी है रीढ़ की हर एक हड्डी सड़ी है झुकना फितरत बन गई है पत्रकारिता की फटी पड़ी है
रोटी बेलनी भी आती है आपको?
गोदी 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 है तो मुमकिन है गोदी 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 है तो मुमकिन है गोदी 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 है तो मुमकिन है गोदी 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 है तो मुमकिन है
So Rajsa, I've read 2 emails. I've done my bit for this
You've
show.
done your bit. What do you want to start with, Abhinandan? You would see.
I can start off with suggesting that song.
No,
I'll do that later.
why don't you do? What do we discuss from the list?
Tell us about the Naina murder case, Rajshri.
So the Naina murder case is not about the Naina Sani.
Yeah.
Not
Those
about
of you
the
who don't know Naina
Tandoor
Sani, it
murder.
was basically, I think it was the 80s, or was I
Yeah.
already news track? It was the 90s. This Youth Congress leader, I think he was.
Yeah.
Sushil Sani was his name.
Sharma.
Sushil
He was Sharma. She
Sushil
was
Sharma. He
Sani.
had killed his wife and burnt her in the tandoor. It was called the Tandoor murder case.
Yeah.
And it was like a big thing at that time.
And he
was
did get
convicted.
arrested and he did go to Tihar for
Yeah.
a while. I think he's out.
Yeah, I think he's out after that.
So you all might be lucky enough in Delhi. The good thing about Delhi and Chandigarh, which I like, is you might be at a dinner somewhere and the person sitting next to you might be looking familiar because you've actually seen them in the news for murdering someone. But they are out. So it's a
Are
very
you
like
making fun of it? And Kolkata?
in Cal, we don't murder.
Kolkata, you will not meet anyone for dinner because you'll never be invited for dinner. Because they all will eat their own
Cal
dinner.
people are very hospitable. In Cal, we don't murder. Like you'll find someone who's living with his dead mother for 3 years in his house, that kind of thing. We are very it's a different kind of problem we are facing.
I see. So
Psychological.
the Naina murder case has got nothing to do with the Naina Sani murder.
No,
It's
but-
fiction.
It's fiction, and it stars Konkona Sen Sharma as this cop, and it's directed by Rohan Sippy.
Oh, he's the son of the director of Sholay.
Correct. And Konkona is playing Sanyukta Das, who's the ACP, and there's a rookie ACP who has been put on who's going to replace her basically. She's shifting. She's married to Mukul Chadda, who is in Delhi, and not in Delhi, he's in Bangalore. So she's going to shift. So this is the last 2 days of her posting, but this murder takes place. And of this college girl, she's found, her dead body is found in the dicky of a car which has been driven into like a pond.
So is it set in Delhi?
It's set in Delhi.
Now, which pond could that be?
No, it's not set in Delhi. It's set in Bombay, I think.
Do you know anything about the show you're reviewing?
Cities are very bad.
Rajshri Sen.
Shut up. Cities are very bad.
It's better to not have watched a show than to not know what you watched.
It's in Bombay because they go towards Pune or something at one point. But that's not the point of it.
Is there a point?
There's a point. It's like a 8 episode. It's like I'm saying because it might have been more episodes, but it was 8 episodes.
It's like an 8 episode, not like a 8 episode.
You keep
Carry on.
quiet. That first bit you said na, had like 5 mistakes in the English. But basically, this is Konkona doing what? Kate Winslet, Jodie Foster, all of them have played these fabulous cops and very gritty crime
reviewed that
thrillers.
show.
Yeah. Mayor of Easttown,
Right.
Jodie Foster has done, I think, True Criminal.
The Accused.
That also, but
No, she wasn't a detective in that.
True Detective. She's in True Detective. So there's a whole bunch of these true crime, not true crime, they are crime series which these top actresses have done. So Konkona has got this. Konkona acts brilliantly in it, I must say. And not like that brilliant, but you always look intense. Now that's one kind of acting also. But basically, this girl gets murdered. Her parents don't know where she is because she's gone to spend the night at a friend's place. So they have no clue that she's actually missing. And Konkona is told that you can't leave now because you have to solve this case.
Where was she leaving for?
I said where she was leaving for.
No?
I just said she was married to Mukul and she was going to Bangalore.
Okay. So you can't leave for Bangalore, you have to solve this case and then leave for Bangalore.
You're going to repeat everything I say. This is the worst in interviews. I have a tip for people in interviews. When someone's interviewing you or when you're talking to someone and you have nothing to add to the thing, the last thing that they say, you should say, so if they say, and then I went and we met these people at Tata and they
had a
said-
Rasgulla.
And they had a, so you say,
You had a
at
Rasgulla?
Tata and you had a Rasgulla. And you just, and they think that you're involved. If they are dim, they'll think that. But I'm not dim, so I didn't think that. So, and there's everything in this. There's student politics. There is,
Item song.
no item song. There's this thing about how little parents actually know about kids'
Lives.
online social media lives.
Which is like a hat tip to that child who murders.
Which child has murdered? Some child has murdered
No,
someone.
that show, yaar, which... Adolescents.
Adolescents. But these are, of course, much older kids. These are 20-year-olds and all. So everything was fine. It is very, there are many twists and turns and all this. The problem was, at the end of the last episode, they've just not told you who's committed the murder so that they can have a second season.
How many
So you're-
episodes did you watch?
The full thing, 8
How many?
episodes.
8 episodes. And you came out not knowing who's done the murder.
No, and I was like, is there another episode? But it's not. They just left it like that so that they can do a season 2. But you can just do a season 2 with a fresh murder, no? It's a very weird way of pulling it forward.
Well, either that or...
Oh, I did not understand.
Yeah, that the murder has
I
been
do
revealed.
think
but
that could have also been there because I saw an article.
You have demonstrated that brilliance in the past in some shows we watched where you came up and gave the wrong plot and I had to explain that that's not what happened.
No, I don't
I
think-
mansplained.
You mansplain. You're always mansplaining. But what is really like, they've got that whole dynamic of students and their parents and how you can also play your parents. But they have no. You're nice enough, but they don't know what you're actually up to as well. And this thing of sometimes professors, older male professors, being very friendly to younger female students. But also how perception that just because that's happening doesn't mean that that person's the murderer. So,
How's Shiv Pandit in this?
Shiv Pandit is which one?
He's in the...
No, but there are two big men in this. That's why. Male characters. Shiv Pandit is...
Because he's a youngster,
Oh, he's very
junior
hot.
from my school.
Oh! He's very hot
He was
in
a very
this.
good basketball player.
He's the politician.
Oh, I
He's the
see.
youth politician.
And his
so
brother is a very good football player. We used to play
How
football
old is
together.
he? 41.
So he's about 10 years younger than me. And his brothers, I think his brother even played for Salgaonkar in Goa. We used to play together when we were young.
He was in Shaitan also, this
Hmm.
chap. So he is the youth, this upcoming young politician and all. So there's that angle. Has the politician killed her? Was the politician having
But
an
you
affair
don't know
with her?
anything. Okay, so
So
is it worth a
I
watch?
feel that the politician has obviously killed her. But since they did not clarify this, I'm not sure.
It's speculation.
It's speculation because I think they also could not tie up that last
Loose end.
But thanks to them keeping it so open-ended, I did try and watch the next episode, but I was on last episode. So I felt it's a bit of a
So you were
KLPD.
like, you don't use such ghatiya
You can't
language.
say KLPD.
This is a recent show. You know, see,
I
Glenn,
swear I got angry.
I try to maintain a certain
By not
decent
watching anything.
sophistication to the show, and you will come and do a KLPD and ruin the show.
No. I'm just saying from 10 to 2:30 I've watched. At 2:30, nobody knows. No one killed Naina Sani.
So anyway, so if Rachi's got it wrong and it was revealed, but she had passed out
I
at
did
that
not
time,
understand.
then just let us know. You can mail us at podcast@newsline.com. We only entertain subscriber emails. So Rachi said, worth a watch or not?
Yeah, it's worth a watch, but it would have been nice if they told us who the murderer was. The second thing is this thing of showing Bengali women are shown as one of two things.
Loose.
Loose. If someone's having an affair, it's the Bengali woman.
And that stereotype even Gangs of Wasipur had.
You just, as they have that
Even
character.
the axe effect. The woman is wearing a red
it has
pod,
to be
a
here
Bengali
because
one.
all we are doing is having sex with everyone.
That
We
is
have
a-
no sense of
That is a
discrimination.
stereotype that must be broken.
Yeah,
Second,
the second is if it's a hard-working, focused woman who does not have a working marriage, who is considered to be...
Bengali. And she'll be wearing
Bengali.
specs.
Wearing specs or will be dressed down. Like everyone else will have blow-dried hair, she will be the one without makeup
Tell me
and
the
all.
best representation of Bengalis in any film.
Was Chitrangada Bengali in Hazaro Khwaishein Aisi?
No.
Which could have been, is my point. In a film, Bengali, I can't really think of that worst was Rocky or Rani.
Yeah.
But best sari blouses. Even I want those sari
Vicky
blouses.
Dona.
Vicky Dona was very
It
good. But she did not look Bengali.
It did. What do you look Bengali? How do you look Bengali?
You look Bengali also, na?
No, this is the problem.
No.
But it had stereotypes without being stereotyped.
Yeah.
Do you get it? It was the best
was very
representation.
good.
And that conversation about the wedding was the best
Because that is how we talk.
comedy scene. Beauty.
Also, the worst thing you can do for Bengalis is to go home and say, I'm going to marry her. My boyfriend's Punjabi. Our parents always give us a look like, okay, maybe this is a rite of passage. She'll get over it at
Maybe
one
he'll
point.
get into a fight in Delhi and someone will knock him
that's
off.
what.
Then
But
our daughter will be back
bongs,
home.
Bong women love Punjabi men.
On that note, why don't you
So
also...
watch this thing, and if y'all see that it's clearly said who the murderer is, then let me know. Maybe I fell asleep for a sec. I also do many things while watching a show. I'm writing an article, I'm checking my phone.
What a way. I mean, you don't take this job seriously. Yeah.
Clearly, like you. Yours is better, you just don't do it only.
Okay. Now tell us a few emails.
Tell us a few emails. Shall I tell you a few emails? Oh, I wanted to say whoever it was who I met at Calcutta Airport and the people I met at CCFC who said that they listened to our show and that it's very interesting how you never watch anything, but that's also part of the charm. Yola, thank you for listening. Ajay has written, hello again to the hosts of my almost fortnightly dose of pop culture review, fun and banter. Continuing my appreciation for potential and having been an authoritarian, I have a recommendation for everyone. Watch the fantastic tribute to prime non-biological GVG on turning 75 on YouTube by official Being Human. Have you seen it? I haven't
No, I
seen
don't
it.
think so.
At the time of writing, there's one of a two-part compilation on the channel with several of Modi ji's pearls of wisdom through his distinguished career. There are some commonly known utterances, but also many hidden gems. Incidentally, your ex-colleague Meghnad has done a reaction to the compilation again on YouTube for those who prefer added commentary. मजे लीजिए क्योंकि मोदी है.
तो मुमकिन hai. Thank you so much. The link to this in the show notes. I'll definitely have a look at this. Ajay sounds very fun.
And it jumped. Harneek has written, hi, this is for Sekri Saab. Sikri Saab, nahi, Sekri Saab. In the last AWA, someone recommended Black Prince movie, and I was surprised that you have not seen that. Did they recommend
Yeah.
Black Prince? I always thought you loved Punjabi music, but I was disappointed. I'm constantly disappointed in him. You must watch the movie. It's the best Punjabi historical movie till date. Satinder Sartaaj as Dalip Singh is excellent. The songs and music are of a next level. Sartaaj is like Jagjit Singh of Punjabi music.
Oh, okay.
I would request you to watch the movie and discuss here if possible.
Okay, this sounds very
I'll
interesting.
watch. I'll watch
love,
Black Prince.
Yeah,
actually.
Black Prince. I must
You
watch
like
that.
Jagjit Singh?
Yeah, I used to love him. He had such an amazing voice and he had such a great sense of humor. I had the good fortune of meeting him also before his passing. Right. So, Rajshri Sen.
What was his wife's name? Chitra Singh.
So, we can talk about MTV, or I can tell you my song recommendation. I can hum a few
No,
notes.
we'll talk about MTV. Come on.
So, Rajshri, MTV shut down.
It's to shut down. They
It's
will
to shut
announce
down.
that they will shut the music channels.
Yeah,
not
the reality,
reality.
because MTV is no longer a music channel. It is a reality show channel that airs trash.
And very bad. Jersey Show and all is
trash.
like
I mean,
really trash.
But music MTV had launched in 81. And can you
Yeah.
tell me which was the first music video they played?
In 81 they...
Video Kill the Radio
Oh, I love
Star. That was the first
Which
song
was
that
the first Grammy Awards, which was shown on DD, had a live performance by a band, which we all watched. Because at that point, there was only one TV in everyone's house, and everyone watched whatever was on. Do you remember which? Who?
Oh, you're Honey Singer.
No, shut up.
ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ
Aha.
ਚੜ੍ਹਦੀ ਸਾੜੀ,
Aha.
ਸਾੜੀ,
You don't remember? Aha. Take on me. I can sing Take on me. Take on
Angrezi
me.
beat. Ding, 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 ding,
Shut up.
ding, 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 ding. Okay. So
You don't
Rajshri
remember
Sen-
watching Aha?
Dude, I don't know which year I watched what in. I mean, I don't
It's the
remember
first
what I watched
Grammy
last
Award.
week. First, for you, it may have been an event. For me, it was not.
I had a very sheltered life.
I did not. I was ruloing in the gullies of Dehradun. So, flying patangs and catching chameleons.
Chameleons.
Yeah, that's what we used to do. But, so Rajshri, MTV was a cultural... That truly was a pop culture phenomena. And I think what MTV also showed was the power of Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson videos, like Thriller was almost like a film.
Yeah.
Like, of
The
course,
one which he did with, what's her name here? That very well-known actress, and Eddie Murphy, that Egyptian
Right.
one. It's like film.
Keep It in the Closet, I think that was
Yeah.
much later. With Naomi Campbell.
No, she's
He
that
did.
other one.
Yeah, I know.
Who's this
Givens.
one's
Something
wife?
Givens. Yeah, I know the one you're talking
David
about.
Bowie's Iman. Iman and Bill Cosby.
Naomi was dancing in that.
Yeah.
So he was so big that he actually sustained MTV. I mean, the excitement in the 80s, I'd say 82, 83, we had one family friend who was in the merchant navy back then. So he had a VCR. So, and I had a friend who lived in Germany, and he'd get VHS tapes with music videos, and we'd all sit around and watch it. And it was such an event.
And Kylie Minogue used to have lots of videos. There were some singers who had, like, their focus on their videos was very
So
strong.
MTV, for those of you who, are not the MTV generation, it was such a phenomenal concept, and that excitement of it, excitement of watching videos, it's not an event anymore because there's so much of information and consumption and content. But I mean, I won't say favorite, but tell me your three music videos that you will recall every move.
Tony Braxton,
Which one?
Unbreak My Heart.
So
Where she's
you're
swimming
talking
in
about
the
90s
thing.
and all, right?
No,
yeah. But
so
that's because
that-
you are 5 years younger than me.
Yeah, I'm not 5 years younger than you, but I look 5 years younger. That's the thing. But Tony Braxton's,
Should I tell them what that person said when we went to watch that film?
they'll know you're lying. Say it. Then they'll know how you try and fat shame me and shame everything. Shame me for my dark color like an Indian.
Nothing
India.
like this.
Say it. Say it.
से बेटा अपनी आंटी के साथ फिल्म के लिए आए हो बेटा
Yeah. No, so Tony Braxton for sure, because I really like that video. I did like, Madonna had a series of videos. This is when we are older. This is when we are around 18, I think. Series of videos which Herb Ritz had done for her, the photographer. And those were exquisitely done. This, with that Matador, she's, what is it? It will come
La
back
Isla
to me.
Bonita.
No. There's one with a matador who's, this is in her later years. Later means she must have been 30 years old only.
There was one music video that they're all in the Matador singing So Gaya Ye Jahan. It's a really beat up Matador. I think it was Volkswagen.
Is it now? You should be run over by a matador only. That's what is required. But then there was this Jason Priestley did a Take a Bow is the song, Madonna's song. Jason Priestley, How Do You Make Love to an Angel? Do you remember this song?
Never heard of it.
What are you saying? It's a black and white because you're not a girl. That's he was very cute looking. There was that, and I love Paula Abdul's that first song.
What's up? No.
No.
Straight up. Straight up. Now
Yeah.
tell me, do you really want? So, Rashri, of course, Thriller will be one of
You like
the
Thriller?
all-time. I mean, it was.
Okay, it was very revolutionary.
I remember distinctly where I was sitting, what the weather was like, who all were in the room. It was an event. Then there were these two, I forget the songs, but just there used to be these poker-faced women and
another one, Right Said Fred. I'm too sexy for, because they were
that was
so
much-
good
that was
looking
again in the
and
90s.
weird.
They're not good looking. So again, I've my gift with names, but he used to be in a suit and just singing, and about a dozen poker-faced women, really pretty dressed up.
This thing. It's a very well-known
With a
brand.
band.
It will
Yeah.
come to me.
So
yeah.
it was this one guy, his
Yeah.
name was. Then the other, of course, Papa Don't Preach, where she wore that shirt, Italians Do It Better, Madonna. And the guy who was the father in Papa Don't Preach, he's done a bunch of films where he's a mobster. I forget his name.
And I love Like a Prayer.
Yeah. When you call my name.
Yeah, that
Of course,
video was...
And that caused repercussions. Of course, no one burnt her house and she was not imprisoned because she showed burning crosses. Which
And
was
he's on the cross, a
crosses.
black
and
man.
it's a black
It's-
Jesus,
yeah.
correct. So, yeah, I think it was a really permissive time. So it's a pity. I don't think we have effectively articulated what MTV was, but it was such a wonderful part of at least my life that it's sad it's
And
gone.
you'll have to listen. It's called The Heights, was the band's name. How Do You Talk to an Angel? It's just fabulous, that song. And also, have you heard, seen the video for Roy Orbison's I Drove All Night?
Yeah, very
Yeah.
nice.
So those, they were beautiful.
Another that
videos.
U2, yeah, where they performed in Germany on top of that building.
Yeah, where the streets,
have no name. Oh my
no
God,
name.
dude, just so
But
good.
also MTV,
And then when Baba Sehgal did Thanda
Yeah.
Thanda Pani with Madhu
listen,
Sapre.
it's very big. There was a standing fan, Madhu Sapre, Pooja Bedi, Baba Sehgal in a Shando Genji, we call it in
Shando
Cal.
Genji.
It's called a wife beater, basically in a vest. He's wearing a ganji, but a colored vest. It's not
It's
a
not a
white.
Shando
He's
Genji.
not wearing, what's that banyan that this one does, Salman does. Not that banyan. And Alisha Chinoy is made in India. It was a Milind Soman comes out of that...
And Malaika she shot to fame
Yeah.
because of that.
So that's the thing. MTV brought to India the concept of VJs, which we never had. And that it was such a cool profession. We'd never seen...
Until Yash Birla and Anu Malik also
Yeah.
became VJs for a while.
Yeah.
And I'll never forget Anu Malik as a VJ in leather pants and a cap, and then Yash Birla. And that's
Yash
when...
Birla was also a VJ.
And that's when I knew it's a question of time. this channel is going to die. And sure enough, it died.
No, but MTV had, so Channel V was second to MTV. MTV had Danny like they had what was considered cool. You had Danny McGill,
And the most beautiful girl in the world,
Kamal Sidhu, Leila
No.
Ruaz.
Laila Ruaz.
She was stunning. My friends shifted
was
into her flat
stunningly
in Bombay and they couldn't get over. Leila Ruaz
She
is our
was, I think she was one of the most beautiful girls.
She
I've
still
seen.
acts.
Oh, she does.
I've watched
Phenomenal.
shows which she's in a film and all I've seen. Not in Hindi films, in this thing. There was Leila, Danny, Kamal Sidhu, Malaika Arora, Amrita
That's later.
Arora.
No, but now they were not. That is when it started going
Yeah,
down. That is
Nikhil
when,
Chanappa was still cool.
yeah, that is when. But of course, the OGs, yeah.
Yeah.
What's his name? Cyrus.
Cyrus, Sahukar, Cyrus Brocha.
Cyrus Brocha was so funny. I remember a young Cyrus. This was the mid 90s. He was so cocky
Yeah.
and so cheeky. I think he was.
And this bunch, because I knew the main producer of the shows, Seher Bedi, who was the producer across all their shows, this bunch didn't have scripts, as in dialogue script. And the later bunch of some of them, I've heard very funny stories about some of the. And Channel V became big, which was a copy of this thing. But Channel V had Udham Singh.
Yeah, but Channel V became more creative than MTV.
Yeah.
They came up with some really fantastic characters, including those claymations that they used to do. They were
Yeah,
so
yeah.
funny.
And so when we were in postgrad in college, also we'd never heard of salaries like that. Some 20-year-old is getting a salary of 50,000 going in for 4 hours of work in the week.
That all
We're
I
like,
don't
what
know.
all is happening over here?
Yeah,
but
I
it was very cool.
I was busy making photocopies at Newstrack office, so those were not things I was.
No,
ever
but we
involved
were,
in.
and it was just like that was a phase in India which had Sunday. We'd become very American.
Right.
And now they have Jersey Shore, Geordie Shore, we have Big Boss.
Right.
The level has been set.
So all the Big Boss are not on MTV, but that
No,
kind
but
of
the
stuff.
quality of.
Splitsvilla type of shit.
Yeah.
So Rajshri Sen, the song that I wanted to recommend before you tell us about, Wayward, is actually first let me read that email.
Okay.
So Rama has said, I wanted to write something in Rajshri's defense. If one has a pop culture podcast, I do believe one should have an overall understanding of the landscape.
Correct.
I don't know who has an understanding of any landscape here, but fine.
Just read it.
Unfortunately, this includes passing through films and shows that are objectively or subjectively bad.
Correct.
In a previous episode, Rajshri praised the film Aina.
I did not praise. I said I really liked Aina also. Praise is
praise.
different.
Anyway, it is such a regressive sexist film, but I did not think so when I first watched it as a kid. Have you considered devoting episodes to older films such as deep dive into Yash Chopra films? Great idea. We'll do this every now and then, Rama. So at least...
Today we will discuss Lamhe.
Okay, let's do that.
Yeah.
Or let's not.
Okay.
Because today we'll do songs.
Okay.
But as Rama says, every episode we'll come
Yeah.
and we'll review one old masterpiece, forgotten or not. Or we'll recommend some old songs that you can rediscover. From stray comments in the Charcha podcast, I got a sense that Atul has a different and potentially unique take on popular culture. Would you consider bringing him over?
Why not?
Why not? Shardul and Jayashree have appeared on this podcast as well. Yes, Rama, that's a great idea. We shall do that.
Next week we can also discuss Zakhmi Aurat. Have you watched Zakhmi Aurat?
No.
With Puneet Issar and
I didn't watch it with anyone. I haven't watched it.
Dimple. You didn't go with Puneet Issar to watch it?
I haven't watched Zakhmi Aurat.
I watched on big screen.
Rajasthan is a, I think, very underrated film called Virasat. I
I
think this
love
was released
Virasat.
sometime in 95 or 96.
With Pooja Batra, Anil Kapoor, Tabu.
Yeah. And it...
And Amrish Puri?
And Amrish Puri.
Yeah.
I really liked it at the time. And
I
there
also
was
liked
this
it.
lovely song.
Which she does. Tabu.
That was it.
Sing.
No, but I'll prefer the other song. तारे हैं बाराती चांदनी है ये बारात सातों फेरे होंगे अब हाथों में लेके हाथ
Just imagine
जीवन
Pooja Batra singing
साथी
it.
हम दिया. But Rajshri Sen, what is the beauty of the song? Other than the melody.
Clearly not this.
The melody,
What?
this one line, which kind of I'm paraphrasing that sukh nahi chahu tum ho meri puja main karti hu, that you are my God and I pray to you. See,
You
these
say
are the
this to me every time I
beauty
walk in.
sentiments of wives to,
Yeah.
you know what, one episode we should do, I'm very serious. We should do songs like an Unpad. Mala Sinha, when she has been slapped by Dharmender's hand, which will be bigger than
Her
her
face.
dainty face. And after that, she sings the song, आपकी नजरों ने समझा प्यार के काबिल. You know that,
Which is-
मैं तुम्हारे चरणों की धूल हूँ, or, you know.
But women should know their place.
So
in-
these kind of beauty sentiments that have
Yeah,
made
there are
true
lots
beauty.
like this.
So we should do one. So this is one song I recommend, and the other is this one.
मोहब्बत ही न जो समझे वो जालिम प्यार क्या जाने मोहब्बत ही न जो समझे वो जालिम प्यार क्या जाने.
Actually, this is Madan Mohan. Mohabbat hi na jo samjhe wo zalim pyar kya jane. It is one of my all-time favorite songs.
Is Bengali? Madan Mohan.
Madan Mohan. Now tell me, why should I not articulate my views on Bengalis when...
Could be
But
Bengali.
first, let me check.
He might be.
If he
You
is,
never know.
mera chop ho jayega.
That's true. That's also there.
Tell me two of your rediscovered songs that you recently rediscovered
In
and playing on loop.
Ajeeb Dasta, there's a song, she's on a boat.
There's a film called Ajeeb Dastan.
Yeah, Niku, what are you saying? It has that Meena Kumari or someone. I'm sure I've got
No,
the-
there's a song called Ajeeb Dastan hai.
No,
Kahan
there's a
shuru hua?
movie, Ajeeb Dasta.
Okay. Madan Mohan was
No, I meant the song.
born in Baghdad.
Well, Bengalis can't be born in Baghdad.
His
We were very
father's name was
welcome.
Rai Bahadur Chunilal Kohli. Punjabi.
Chaudhary. After
Kohli.
Chakrabarti, after.
Punjabi. Thanks God. Otherwise, mera chop ho jata aaj.
Ajeeb Dasta, I like. And my favorite song is Sagar Kinare. I love singing it also. Should I sing you a line?
No, you sing very badly.
Sagar Kinare.
You know, Rashmi, you're the only, I'm not joking, you're the only Bengali I know who doesn't play an instrument, though you insist you play the
I
piano.
play the piano.
This is like, you know,
I don't play the piano.
this is like I'm an astronaut. You have to take my word for it.
Sagar Kinare. I'm an alto singer. I was singing
Okay,
desk.
very nice. So those are the two
I'm
recommendations
singing.
this week.
Sagar Kinare.
You have to say Sagar ke साथ आगे भी तो बढ़ो. Sagar
दिल
किनारे.
ये पुकारे तू जो नहीं तो
So
मेरा कोई नहीं है
Oh,
ओ Okay, I'll sing you all my favorite song. And y'all have to say which film this is from. Jilele, jilele, ayo, ayo, jilele. Masti mein, ayo, ayo,
No
masti
one-
mein.
no one has-
Duba, 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 dil duba. You know who? Dalip Tahir, Hemant Birje, Kimi Katkar. It is from Tarzan. Tarzan.
You know, we are fucking-
Oh, Tarzan.
we are-
आजा मैं सिखा दूं तुझे प्यार कैसे हो.
Okay, if these are the old songs we're going to be
Tarzan.
discussing, if they're old films, then I'm out of this show.
You've never heard these, really?
Why the fuck would
Aapne
anyone
chaya
hear?
hai na,
First of all, they were not
Nahi?
even born then. Why are you asking them? And if
I'm not 70 years old, Tarzan.
they are much younger, why will they fucking watch Tarzan? Why will any
It's
of
a
us watch
classic.
Tarzan?
Hemant Birje was a national swimmer, I think, level swimmer.
Anything. Okay. Anyway,
He was very good looking.
So let
Means
me
not
read a
really.
couple of other emails.
Kimi Katkar was beautiful, though.
Nidhi says, in defense of hate watching, Rajshri, please ignore AS and regale us with a 5-minute rant on too much.
Yes, I have a new rant.
This train wreck of a show that's so bad that I want to send Amazon a thank you hamper for creating it. Nidhi, you are ruthless.
It is really bad.
We're living in an era of too much, no pun intended, content, and for a show to stand out for being so spectacularly terrible from beginning to end is indeed an accomplishment. After the sad demise of And Just Like That, what is that?
Which is Sex and the City's last
Oh, I see.
this thing.
Another
version.
absolute clusterfuck of a show. There was a massive void in our lives, and middle-aged, middle-class ladies like myself had nothing left to discuss at office water coolers and children's bus stops. Thank you, dear gods of entertainment, for filling that void with too much. And now, Rajshri, over to you.
Yes, so I watched the latest episode. I watch each episode just so that I can say how are they doing this. This had Govinda and Chunky Pandey, who actually were not bad. The worst thing about this show is
Are the
Kajol
hosts.
and Twinkle. And Twinkle has that problem, which a lot of people have, I've noticed. Every sentence they think needs to be a witty comment or have a pun. So there's nothing natural in the delivery because it's impossible to talk like that, right? So I'd say watch it still. You must.
All right. So, the one thing I've noticed is, I don't know, when I've seen interviews of people who are in showbiz, and also when you meet them, because somewhere or the other, you end up
Also, Abhinandan is very well connected.
they tell you stories that don't have a point or a punchline. And you notice this even in interviews, especially the young, they will really think about something and come up with something really banal. Like, they'll, this is a story that they'll be telling. तो उन दिनों म्यूजिक कर रहे थे समीर साहब, तो समीर साहब ने बोला अच्छा ये लिरिक्स लिखते हैं, वो पेपर पेंसिल लाओ कोई, तो मैंने क्या पेपर पेंसिल लेके गया, तो मैंने उनको पेपर पेंसिल दे दिया. तो फिर वो मेरी तरफ देख के बोलता है ये लड़का बहुत दूर जाएगा और मुझे फिल्म चाहिए थी. Now you're fucking waiting for a punchline. There's some point.
And then he gave me Sholay.
There was no fucking point to the story. It goes round and round, and you're like, what the fuck is the point? And you see this on Kapil Sharma show. You see this whether it's Ajay Devgan, whether it is. I will say Saif sometimes have punchline to his stories.
Saif, did you hear
Not
that one
always.
which I sent you?
Yes, I did.
It was too funny.
It
That
was funny.
Yash
That's
Chopra one. And only he says these.
Okay, Rajshri said he is the wittiest person on earth.
He's-
Basically, Jon Stewart should jump off a cliff and give his show to Saif Ali Khan.
No.
Happy.
Even Akshay Kumar said a very funny story about, tell me, Nirupa Roy.
Roy.
He said at one point, Nirupa Roy was forever getting kidnapped. No, there was one other. There's an actor who's very well known, whose name he said he was constantly selling Nirupa Roy in every film. So he said this actor in the film goes and tells Nirupa Roy, Bhabhi, tumko mandir leke jati ho, and takes her to Mud Island. And he said, on Mud Island, there's a sheikh standing there. And then Akshay Kumar said, why is a sheikh standing on Mud Island of all the places? And Nirupa Roy says, mandir kahan hai? So this guy who's a very well-known actor, it's like almost like Mahmood or something. He says, Bhavi, tum to big gaye. He said, and then the sheikh buys Nirupa Roy and he leaves. So he said it used to make no sense.
As opposed to Akshay Kumar films that made a lot of sense.
No, I
Like,
feel you're...
seriously.
But this is a funny anecdote.
Okay.
It's not a funny
Relax,
anecdote.
self-awareness. Anyway. So, then Vinay says, what does Vinay say, Rajshri San?
Dear ANR, I was pleasantly surprised by the episode, and it's not just R's response to Anon. I didn't watch D2, so I never responded
D2
to.
is? Dhadak 2.
Oh, I've been thinking it's some South Indian film all this while. I read this mail yesterday.
Okay. D2, they're referring to
D2, Dharak 2. So I never responded to R's observation. You read all the mails, even critical ones. In that spirit, I wanted to add that at many points I disagree with both of you on worldview, opinions, and tastes. It made me stop following the show. It didn't make me unsubscribe, but just not interested in the show. A lot of changes have come into the show, and it reassured
possible.
me that change is possible, and this episode was proof. I didn't watch D2, but I watched PP.
Perim
Peram
Perumal.
Perumal. And the shame is real. Shame is real. Anon's response to R's question and how you handled it left me hopeful. I think A can do more for this discourse. Dalit writers and artists are making work that's challenging the hegemony in culture. Happy to help.
Imagine this. Thank you, Vinay.
Thank you, Vinay.
And thank you for your subscription.
Anonymous has written, hi, I would appreciate it if you could review this song, Bus by Swaratma. We will, next time. And Mohita has written, dear Abhinandan and Rajeshri, came to know recently through ANA that Abhinandan did eco honors from DO. Okay. Would love to get some book recommendations on political economics, other areas under economics.
So
Just
why are you
because he
surprised?
studied in this.
have you
I
know-
can also give you some recommendations. I also
It's not a
studied.
competition. You can just-
Everything in life is a competition.
This
That's
is the
how
wrong,
you will get ahead.
This is wrong attitude.
No, that's how Bengalis are so successful. as you
It's
all
bad
know.
attitude.
By the way, you guys are so funny. I fell flat on my face laughing when I was listening to ANA while doing push-ups. I'm sorry. Also, Rajushi looks very pretty in every video. Thank you. Don't wear makeup. That will make your skin glow. Do you understand? Thanks for keeping news independent. Thank you, Mohita.
So Mohita, I will recommend a few books. I read them when they were released, and I disagreed with some of them if possible. But it's good to read them now because the whole world order is changing. Between the mid 90s to let's say the late 2000s, what was often referred to by conspiracy theorists and left of center people as the Washington Consensus had a lot of endorsements from books like Bhagwati wrote In Defense of Globalization. Then there was it'll come to me, but read In Defense of Globalization. Also read Stiglitz wrote a book which I'll just tell you. I think it's called Globalizations and Its Flaws or something of the sort. Just Google search it. These are two books that have two very different and opposing takes on globalization and the flow of capital, which was one of the major discourses at the time. I highly recommend it. And I also recommend, which I have recommended on the Hafta, Ruchir Sharma's latest book, the name of which again I've forgotten, which I will just Google and tell you. And of course, I can't recommend it enough, Money by the French economist.
What went wrong with capitalism?
What went wrong? That's Stiglitz. And
No, that's Ruchir.
that's Ruchir. What went wrong with capitalism?
With Stiglitz. check, I
And
don't-
Money is by who? French economist.
Money plus.
Capital, sorry. Not Money, Capital.
See, now you're making my search incorrect.
I don't know why mine is not working.
Because sometimes it doesn't work if you're not a good person. Das Capital. You're
No,
talking
yaar,
about Karl
Capital-
Marx. You can read
No,
Karl Marx.
French.
I have an input also. That don't only read non-fiction, read fiction that will expand your horizon and improve your language, and you can think about the economy also. That's
Piketty. Capital by
Piketty.
Piketty.
I wanted to
In fact,
marry
that's
Piketty.
a very good book because it's very interesting how he has kind of made, how he has compared how much was rich, what wealth was like in quantity terms in, let's say, the 1800s and 1900s. He's taken books like, a Jane Austen, where a Pride and Prejudice, where they said she was a woman with a handsome disposition and she was interested in this man who had an inheritance of 100,000 estate or whatever. So he said, if this book was written in such and such year, and this is considered a rich man by purchasing power parity, what would that be today?
Oh, like
So
that.
he has actually used even literature
So he's appealed to
written
people
back
like
then.
me.
So it's so those are the 3 or 4 right now. And you can mail me at Abhinandan Sekhri at Gmail. I'll send you a few more. My names are terrible. I'm terrible with names.
Faces also.
Faces I'm fine with. I recognize people.
But you don't know who they are. Means you're recognizing how? You're saying familiar. This
I
is
know the
person.
face. I may not know the name. It's a very common ailment of people my age.
My mother has it. She's 75.
Yeah, you forget names.
It's okay.
Same thing with books or movies. Sometimes someone says, "Have you seen this movie?" I say, "No." Then start telling the story. I say, "I've seen it, but I've forgotten the name."
Like Tarzan.
That I've not watched.
When I was in working in one of the PR agencies, along with my fabulous clients, which I had, we also got a request to do the PR for one, like a project PR. And everything used to be given to my friend Papri and me because we were good at our work. But even we drew the liner. It was for Tarzan, the something car. The Wonder Car. I said, what an insult to us to this thing that you asked us to do this while we are doing GlaxoSmithKline avian flu crisis and all. But I remember reading the story. They sent us a synopsis of storyline. Read the whole
Interesting.
thing. And I said, no. Like you must give it to someone else, must have the opportunity to handle
Work
this.
on that.
Not
so
us.
we'll read 3 more emails. We can review.
No, Wayward will just this thing. Otherwise, it will get short review because you haven't watched it.
So then give
it
us a
can't
short
be
review.
long, right? So Wayward is this. You notice I pronounced it correctly. Is a series on Netflix. It stars Toni Collette, and Mae Martin has created it, who is a Canadian, very well-known Canadian filmmaker and all. It's set in Vermont, which I've never been to. Have you been to Vermont? It's supposed to be very beautiful.
No, I don't know.
So Vermont, it's set in Vermont at a place called Tall Pines, a small town called, and the thing with many towns and smaller cities in America are that there'll be vast stretches of land with no population, and then there'll be a house. Then there'll be like miles of land again, lots of forest area and all. So it's beautiful. It's very picturesque and all. But the story is based on something which happened to Mae Martin's friend when they were growing up. There are these boarding schools with troubled or difficult children are sent to, very often very, very rich parents. And so Paris Hilton, in fact, has spoken to at the US Senate and all for laws against these kind of schools because she was sent to one of these schools. She was considered a troubled child by her parents. People come into your house. This is with full permission of the parents. People will come into your house at 2, 3 in the morning wearing masks. They pick the child up from the bed. The children are usually in their teens.
Why do they have to have masks?
Because I don't know, it's really bizarre.
making up this
No,
shit?
I swear.
No, just
And
because it was then the show doesn't mean it's real.
No, I've seen the documentaries also. They bundle you into a van. The kids usually think
Are they
that
ICE
they are...
agents? And it's Trump the
Maybe
father.
They were practicing for ICE. And you're bundled into a van and you're taken to some... Like, you don't even know. So, Paris Hilton was taken to Utah at this very well-known... which has now been closed down because there was so much ill treatment of the children over there. It will come to me, the name... her one. So she's spoken to Department of Health and Human Services and all. She's become the voice of
Reason.
against child
Paris
abuse. No, don't be
When Paris Hilton is the voice of reason, then it's time to worry.
No, she's really. But so over here also, this one girl is the parents are not happy with the way she behaves. She's doing drugs. She's doing this, that. The parents don't realize that they are basically in essence sending her to what is a cult run by Toni Collette, because all these schools are it's very harsh, severe, no phones are allowed and all, you're allowed to speak to your parents once
So it's
a
a
week.
good breeding ground for...
Yeah. And Toni Collette is so chilling. She anyway looks like a cult leader, I've always felt. She looks a little off all the time. She is this, and very like sweet, please come to Wayward Pines where we will look after you when it's a home away from home and all. But you see how these kids are like basically broken down totally. And then a murder happens. Like it is a fabulously tight, well-scripted series. And there's a cop who has come to that
This sounds
Wayward Pines.
interesting,
It's very
Ratchison.
good.
I'm tempted to watch
You
it.
must watch it because it is also the interactions between the students that happen. How some become friends, how some turn on each other. Because if you rat
a
out...
film.
It's a series. I have to watch it.
Why can't you ever suggest a film?
Because I feel you must invest like this. But it's really good. And unlike Nena, whatever it was, at the end we know who has
know what?
done what.
Okay, so... Okay.
But I did feel the two options that were shown, the first option should have happened and not the second. It is really good. You will... And she's excellent. All the characters are excellent.
So this weekend, mera ho gaya.
And the town, you realize, little
Spoiler alert.
there are no children in that town.
They've eaten them all up.
It's so first I thought, the kid. It is a town where all the adults, they are young adults, married couples, but there are no children. And you realize that by the 6th
Why
episode or
Nasbandi?
something. You have to watch.
Then Sanjay Gandhi went there and did Nasbandi.
Oh, I did not know. I met a lot of old people. No, I should not. Maybe they are listening to the podcast. You all were not that old. You all were very interesting people, I have to say. A few days back, and one of them was telling me that, I remember, and I didn't understand why. We were talking about lots of things, and I was talking about some song. Not Tarzan, something a little classier. And she said that one song from Sholay, a very well-known song, she said, I remember one of my first memories of Delhi is because they were all in college during the emergency. She said, I remember this song from Sholay playing in CP and these tents. So I thought she was going to say, and then you'd go and you'd buy kebabs or something. And she said, and all these men lined up going into the Nasbandi. So the music was used to attract them. And as you went,
Snip.
And you were given a film ticket maybe at the end, or I don't know. But I was like, wow, I never
wonder
knew
which song it was. Because it could be either Koi Hasina Jab Root Jati Hai.
I'm
or
going to
it could be
ask her next
Mehbooba. Or it could be
It wasn't Mehbooba.
Holi
It was
song.
It was because she said, do you remember this song?
Gille shikve bhool ke dost
It was a
to
pipey song.
Dushman
This is not
bhi
sounding
gale mil
pipey.
jate
Shall I say the thing which will make
hain.
everyone unsubscribe from this
No,
thing?
don't say that. So we have
I
two emails
hate
left.
Sholay as a film.
She has no taste. It's
And Basanti, I wish that horse had turned and eaten her up.
horse
It
are
was
vegetarian.
so annoying.
Srinath has sent a show to review, and the last line it says, would you review his recent video, especially since Mr. Sekhri has a pedigree in this genre, which is
Which is in...
food and travel show, Rahul Gandhi's Colombian coffee show. So we will review both these things. Anonymous has sent us this song called Bus, and this show we will review both of them next.
But I just want to say that I'm a big fan of Rahul Gandhi's looks more than his politics.
you're
His
shallow.
politics also I like, because just decency I think should get 10 on 10
'Cause you're
in today's
shallow.
world. But I had seen this, it was on my Insta reels or something. Rahul Gandhi is learning how to make Colombian coffee. And you're like, dude.
What the fuck?
Now, yesterday, one more reel came. He's making mithai at Ghante Wala Sweet. I mean, what is he doing? This is not how you win
But
votes.
Srinath, we
no?
will review this next week.
Yes,
So-
week after.
Week after, sorry. So those of you who would like us to do things differently, you have some critique to offer, some criticism, you want to correct our facts, which are often wrong here because of you know who. You can mail us at podcasts@newsline.com. I repeat, podcasts@newsline.com. We only entertain the emails of subscribers. All the abuse you can leave on Rajshri and my Twitter timeline. After I did the pollution tweet over the weekend because of how brilliantly Delhi handled pollution, lots of it has come, and I would like to tell you, most of it I read. So I would acknowledge that. Thank you. Keep it coming. But for the emails, you have to subscribe to News Laundry. Here is the QR code. You can scan it and subscribe and pay to keep news free. We would like to thank our wonderful sound recordist Anil and our wonderful producer Priyali. And like to remind you of the two song recommendations, Rediscovery, Tare Hain Barati by Virasat, and Mohabbat ही न जो समझे वो जालिम प्यार क्या
And my
जाने.
recommendation.
And Hilele Hilele.
Hilele, nahi, Hilele. Why would it be Hilele? What is wrong with you?
C-grade song recommendation come from there. Sophisticated song recommendation come
I
from
have
here.
a suggestion also.
I try to take this show to slightly cultural
not
level,
watching anything.
so that we can go for Sahitya Academy and someone who brings it out to KLPD level, you know who.
If we ever get nominated, it would be quite cool. For some very...
Or Satya Academy Award. You know, you talk.
But I just want to say something about behavior to our followers on Instagram. Y'all don't have to comment and fight with each other on the Insta
Yeah,
reel.
please read the abuse for us. We
Some
hate it when
people are
others fight with each
42
other.
comments and
Don't-
my notification
Don't
is
fight
going
with
on.
each other.
And I want to
don't-
tell y'all that,
don't
no
fight with each other.
fighting. It is not worth it.
No fighting. There's some song that starts with that. No fighting, no fighting.
Kung fu fighting.
Shakira. No fighting, the fighting.
No, there was, I don't know.
know.
Okay, just thank you, Mr. Singh.
Thank you, Miss Sen.
And it's a wrap.